Welcome to my channel. I finally got my Boy Scouts knife back that I had when I was a teenager, and it's this one right here. I forgot the name of it, but it's got the toothpick. Dang. Well, right there is the tweezers, but right now I can't get them out, especially with my finger. Yeah, wait. There it is. No wonder somebody crammed them in there. That's the first time I've had them open. Look at that. Well, I guess I'll be sending them back, getting me a new one. And I used to have this knife as a teenager when I was in the Boy Scouts. It don't have a good saw blade on it, but I mean it cuts. There's the scissors. And then it's got the fish scale. I love their scissors. And then you got your can opener. It feels like it wouldn't even cut nothing. Why ain't you focusing? There it is. You got a little bit of an edge, but not much. And there's your straight screwdriver with the beer opener. And then you got your torch screw, screwdriver. Look, and then that one. And then that's the file. And then right here is your awl. I remember having this in my 20s. Or maybe my teenage years.